guys, I'm at the Chicago airport right now. I'm just changing my flights to Jacksonville. I'm gonna go grab my lunch. I have my favorite place to go grab lunch at the food court. They have one of the place called Billy. They're selling burger, and one of my favorite burger is the ribeye steak burger. The burger is just juicy and the grilled onion is just right. They did it right. So let's go do this and let's grab my lunch. I'm super hungry. Hey guys, I just murdered my lunch in 2 seconds. It's like I'm super hungry and just tastes very good. And right now it's time to go to Jacksonville. Finally in Jacksonville at the hotel right now. When I walked into the hotel, I saw this. Very nice fruits, waters, chocolate, flowers. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I'm in Florida right now, Floriology Institute, doing some preparation for my class for tomorrow. And I have my camera here and I have my container here. I'm really excited about tomorrow. Let's do this. Now we've done the preparations. Let's see what we do at the class.